Hi everyone, this is Dr. Shushma Sarilla, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. Now we'll be discussing about the conventional treatment methods. Usually, whenever we suffer from acne, we usually visit a dermatologist. And what do they suggest? They suggest topical retinoids, which is good because they have retinoic acid, which is a vitamin A derivative. It helps in exfoliation as well. It gives you a good skin tone, even skin tone. But the thing that you need to remember, as we have discussed earlier, is that acne is not an external problem. Acne is something which is arising because there is some problem in your system. Either it can be glucose intolerance, hormonal, or genetic. So, if you're treating it from the topmost part or you're applying something topically, it will be very temporary. Next, what are the side effects of topical retinoids? It can cause redness and severe dryness. And also, it cannot be used for a longer period of time, and it cannot be used for people who are very young. Like, for example, it cannot be used on your teenagers. Then coming to benzoyl peroxidase, which is antimicrobial or antibacterial, as we can say. What are the bad benefits of benzoyl peroxidase? Are that it can cause contact dermatitis in some people. We have studies which show that benzoyl peroxidase can cause a little bit of darkness, dryness, skin irritation, and contact dermatitis. And then coming to antibiotics, if you are suffering from a bacterial infection in your acne, it is nodular, it is cystic. So next, coming to your antibiotics, if you are suffering from nodular or cystic acne, or acne which is not reducing at all, then you visit a dermatologist. She will give you antibiotics so that the P. acnes bacteria does not increase in your or does not clog your pores, and the proliferation is decreased. But what are the side effects about antibiotics? If you have some health issue, if you are feeling unwell, you use antibiotics. If you're having stomach problem, you're using antibiotics. We are using antibiotics as if they are some sort of vitamins. Using a lot of antibiotics will have a bad effect on your gut microbes, which are very essential for a healthy living. And not only that, a use of lot of antibiotics will cause resistance as well on a longer run. And then the oral retinoids, which are like the main culprit here, because if you're using oral retinoids and by mistake you've become pregnant, they are teratogenic. That means they will cause malformations. Even if you're taking one pill without notice, they can cause severe malformations in the fetus. The studies have been established, even the statistics have established that if you're pregnant and you don't know and you've taken an oral retinoid, or if you're planning to become pregnant, or if you're married, oral retinoids are something that you should avoid. So if you're suffering from acne and you're taking something which is temporary, something which is killing your own good bacteria, something which is killing your own fetus, why would you want to opt for a conventional treatment? Why not homeopathy? Now we are dealing with homeopathic treatment. See, for example, you're applying a retinol cream. It will stay there or treat your skin for a period of, let's say, 6 months. After that, what would you do? If you're taking antibiotics, how long would you like to take antibiotics? Let us treat something which is going to work from inside out, something which is sustainable, something which is permanent, something which is holistic, and something which is tailor made. That is something for you, something for each one of us suffering from acne. So while you're dealing with homeopathic treatment, we deal it holistically, and we deal it from person to person. Each drug or each medicine will differ, because one person is different from the other, and one stress is different from the other. So if you're suffering from PCOS, if suffering from PCOD, if you're suffering from something called genetic acne or hormonal issues, we can treat it in a better manner without side effects, holistically, improving your overall health, not destroying your gut microbiome, and increasing your lifespan with good years or healthier years, we can say it that way. So try opting for homeopathic treatment which does not have side effects, something which is custom made. We are investing lakhs in a custom made lehenga. Invest a little bit more on your health and invest in homeopathy, which is cost effective as well as holistic and just fit for you. Coming to our consultation options, we have offline and online consultation. Through online, if you're someone who is watching this video and would like to get in touch with us, you can contact us through the above given number, either through WhatsApp or through call. If you're someone who is living nearby, you can come and contact us in person in Manikonda branch or the nearest branch near you. And the online consultation, we do audio as well as video, depending on the availability and the time slot. After you had a chat with us and you're okay with the medication, after the investigations and all of that stuff, if you want medications, we will send it to you. If it is in India, all over India, the shipping will take 3 days. If it is in US, it will take 4 days. If it is in any country other than US, it might take 5 to 6 business days. Keep that in mind. And while you're calling, you can call through this number or through WhatsApp. And why do you want to opt for Fidicus? It is because of the highest rates of success that people have seen. The testimony, you can check our website and the testimonies in it. And also the treatment is transparent and the medicines will be delivered to you in highest quality and within 5 to 6 business days anywhere in the world. Thank you.